Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can create multiple Shopify stores on one account. So if you already have one Shopify store, I'm going to be showing you how you can add multiple Shopify stores, like 3 or 4 or as many as you want, okay? Under one account, so under one Gmail account you use to create your first Shopify store. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you just need to log in into your Shopify store. Okay, after you are on the dashboard of your Shopify store, you want to then click here on your store name in the top right. Okay, so after that, then you want to click on all stores, and it will take you guys to this page. Here, as you can see here, you will see the list of your Shopify stores. As you can see, currently I only have one Shopify store. Now you can add as many stores as you want. Like I said, just click on create store here, and then you can use the exact same account like I said, or Gmail, and then click I don't want help setting up. Just give it a few seconds. The Shopify store is they are creating a new Shopify store for you now. Just give it a few seconds, as you can see. Okay, so as you can see now, we have another Shopify store. As you can see, 3 days left in your trial. If you are wondering if you have to pay for each store, like the subscription fee, yes, that's true. So each store you will have to pick a plan. See, this store doesn't have anything to do with the first store. See, this is like you created a new store. Okay, so now you just need to click on select a plan, and you need to pick a plan for this new store too. Now you can switch between your stores easily by clicking on the store name in the top right, and then you can find here all your stores. Now I'm going to click on my old store. It will take me directly, guys, to the store, as you can see. Now you can also switch between, for example, if you want to switch to a new store, click on it. It will take you directly, guys, to your new store. Okay, now you can create as many Shopify stores as you want. Like I said, here you can just click on add all stores again, click again on create store, and you will be able to create another store. And you just click on here, and then you will find all your stores here. Click on one you want, then it will take you directly, guys, to the store, as you can see. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. See you guys next video. Have a good day.